Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rocky the Dog token. Rocky the Dog is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 14th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Rocky the Dog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol is Rocky. This token is on the Solana blockchain. It's an SOL token, and it is named after the Solana co-founder's dog. Raj Gokal's dog, I guess, is named Rocky. And so now we have Rocky the Dog token on Sol. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 14th. At 6 p.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Rocky. And then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So according to their Sol scan, they already have 4,746 holders. So you can get this token prior to the Bitmart listing by getting it off a decentralized exchange. One of the more popular ones where it's available is on Raydium. So you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Rocky token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, rockythedogcoin.com. It's right in their tokenomics section there on their webpage. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Let's see if there is here. We'll have a look here. I don't see anything. Oh, 0% tax. So you probably don't have to worry about slippage. Contract address is right on the page. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. I believe it's deflationary because their Sol scan says there's a little bit less. It says LP is burnt. So yeah, you could get it off Raydium. You might be able to get it off Jupiter as well. Maybe Orca. So yeah, it seems like it's deflationary because the current supply, according to their Sol scan, is 999,984,325 tokens. Market cap is a little bit over $8 million. 9 decimal places on this token. And price is basically 0.8 of a penny per token. Now, their Telegram you can follow at Rocky Solana. 2,334 subscribers on there. So Rocky is the name of the dog owned by the co-founder of Solana. Rocky's pic was on Instagram about 4 years ago. This project pays homage to him and his dog, and responds to the popular demand for more dog-based narratives in the crypto space. We don't have enough doges out there. Rocky was created in response to this demand and to provide value to the ecosystem created by Raj and his partner, the Solana blockchain. So why Rocky? Well, transparency and security, community and engagement, charitable initiative. So beyond entertainment and meme aspects, Rocky is committed to making a positive impact in the world. The project allocates a portion of the proceeds to charitable causes, supporting animal shelters, rescue organizations, and other philanthropic endeavors. Investing in Rocky allows you to be part of a community-driven initiative with a charitable focus. It's built on the Solana blockchain for efficiency, and it's also going to have utility and NFTs. It's not just about the memes. There's going to be unique digital assets through non-fungible tokens. Holders may gain access to exclusive NFT drops, limited edition merchandise, and other perks that add value to their investment. These NFTs can be traded, collected, or even used within the ecosystems. More details on those to be announced. Now, 0% tax, like I said, 1 billion tokens. It says 100% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, locked forever, and there's a burn address. Contract or mint has been revoked, meaning no new tokens can be created. No wallet can interact with the Rocky contract, and it has no owner, fully renounced, according to their Git book here. Anyways, you can find their Git book at rocky-4.gitbook.io/white paper. So over there, they also will tell you how to buy step-by-step using Raydium and a Phantom wallet. Now, they're going to have their own not central exchange, they're going to have their own decentralized exchange, similar to Raydium and Jupiter, called the ROCX. So, and there's going to be a ROCX bot with functions like sniping, dollar cost averaging, and limit orders. There's going to be the Bank of Rocky that comes out in the future, where you'll be able to stake your tokens to get exclusive rewards. There's going to be the Kennel Locker, so you can lock your tokens in a pool, token vesting. Then there's going to be the Rocky Tools, so it's like a Telegram bot, useful for traders. Then there's going to be the NFTs, like I mentioned. And then it says fees as well. So basically the token can be used for, further development, increased liquidity pools, community events, airdrops, contests, buybacks, being burnt, extra marketing, all that type of stuff. Now, they have tons of links on their Bitmart announcement. They have the webpage rockythedogcoin.com, SoulScan, their Twitter at Rocky_Solana. I'm going to put that up right here. They have the Telegram at Rocky Solana and the Git book that I mentioned. You can find that all in the Bitmart announcement. So right now you can get the token off Raydium, and in a couple days you can get this token off Bitmart. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.